It is my privilege to lead the Housatonic Community College Foundation. The Housatonic Community College is a vital part of the Bridgeport community. It's a vital part of downtown Bridgeport. But most importantly, it's a vital part of the lives of the students who attend. And the mission of the Housatonic Community College Foundation is to support the programs and students of the college. We raise money so our scholarship committee can give it to students. That's pretty much the core of it. And these are very deserving students. I am fond of telling people that there are few experiences more wonderful than attending commencement. And specifically, and we'll be talking about manufacturing today, so I'll use Rich and his team in the Advanced Manufacturing Program as an example. At the end of the ceremony, after the 600 students have received their diplomas and certificates, the faculty march out first, and then they form two lines, and the students march out between the lines. And the manufacturing faculty tackle their students, and there are a lot of hugs and a lot of tears. Because those, this is just one example of the kind of dedication that this college and its faculty and its leadership have to the students they serve. And it is a great privilege to lead the foundation to support that mission. Obviously, we have a new wrinkle now with the Advanced Manufacturing Center, which is one of three initiated across the state within the last few years. And the reaction to that, I like to tell people this is my favorite foundation committee. The American Manufacturing Hall of Fame group essentially came into existence out of Barbara and Carl Johnson had a lot to do with it. Dan Wisniewski and Ken Lisk as co-chairs of the steering committee have been energetic leaders, and it's almost impossible to think of a better example of passion and commitment. These people had an idea, and you're going to hear more about that idea today. You'll hear more about that idea in the induction ceremony in October. It's a tremendous idea to celebrate the industrial and manufacturing heritage of Bridgeport. And heritage is a good thing, but it's also a way to reflect and support and embrace the manufacturing sector of today and the manufacturing sector of tomorrow. The event today really is a testimony to their energy and enthusiasm. If I have one word of advice for you, it would be don't get in their way, because they will figure out a way around you. They are just tremendous. And something else here. I mean, here's sort of another example of they keep coming up with ideas, and sometimes we have to say, "Calm down." But one of the ideas is another event that's going on in the next room and in the cafeteria today. That is the Learn and Earn Kids Fest. It's a one-day camp for grade school kids to learn about manufacturing and engineering career opportunities. The students are going to be doing 3 activities where they learn manufacturing principles, and then they're going to hear from a young woman who's a college junior and an engineering student. And then they're going to be hearing from some actual manufacturers at the Manufacturers Expo next door. This was a great success last year, and if you have a chance to drop by, the looks on the kids' faces are just priceless. They have such a good time. Let me just run down the schedule briefly. In just a moment, I'm going to invite Dr. Paul Brody, the president of Housatonic Community College, to come up and speak to us about the college and about some of the critical partnerships the school and the students need to succeed. Ellen Tower of the Manufacturing Hall of Fame Steering Committee will introduce this year's inductees. Rich DuPont, the director of the Advanced Manufacturing Program, will give us an update on the program. And then finally, we're going to have a very interesting panel discussion with Rich DuPont, State Senator Tony Wong, Kathy Saint from Schwertel Stamp, and Lindy Lee Gold from the State Department of Economic and Community Development. There you are. And then we'll hear from them about how individuals, including many people in this room, are working to elevate the public's perception of manufacturing in the state of Connecticut. So it's my pleasure now to introduce Dr. Paul Brody. For some of you, this morning may be the first time you're meeting Dr. Brody. You're in for a treat. He came to Housatonic Community College in April with a distinguished record of leadership in community colleges and the New York State University system. He's a man with a deep commitment to student engagement, learning, and expanding access to education. It's a special pleasure for me to introduce Dr. Brody because I had the privilege of serving as co-chair of the College Advisory Committee to the search process. And all I can say is we expected him to be good. He's even better than that, and we look forward to many great things with Dr. Brody. So please welcome Dr. Paul Brody.